So hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video we will explore our own code editor. Okay, so there are lots of problem over here, and suppose this is like test cases or example. So you write a function for this sum of two numbers in this code editor. Before going to write code, there are one functionality is here is you should choose your own problem by your own. So that's why I put over here 100 problem statements here. So you can choose your own question by yourself basically. So okay, so let's refresh this. Now here your code submission, you can submit your code over here, and here is an option for you. If you are comfortable with C++, JavaScript or Python, you can choose what you want. I choose C++ because I am little bit comfortable in C++ language to build a code. So let's see how it is going. So let's just see how. Let's say 2 plus 5 and enter. And if you run this, it gives you the evaluation result over here. Output is 7, which is obviously matches with your test cases over here. This is execution time. This is a real execution time from the compiler. This is your total test case score basically, and here this is your green signal that your code executed successfully over here. Okay, so you can also add your function here, and you can also add like in a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5, then in sum is equal to a plus b, and see out sum, it is also fine. Okay, it is also accept. Okay, I just change my basically inputs, and you can also change inputs by your own. Suppose I take over here 5 and b is equal to 10, and if you run this, it accepts your code or your inputs, and it will gives you the output over here. Yes, so change your inputs by your own. Nothing, you know you can set your test cases by your own in this problem over here. Okay, so you can also write code in your JavaScript. Please remove this line, and now you just say console dot log, sorry, and you just say 2 plus 5, and I hope it will run. Yeah, it gives you 7. Obviously this is in the JavaScript code. You can also write, if you are comfortable with Python, then you just go over here, just say 2 plus, just say 10, and the evolution result is 12 basically here. So if you are comfortable with any language, you can choose your language by your own and write the program for the uh, different problems, or the solution for the different problems. Okay, so here is the next button and previous button that you can check the problems and change by your own and select one of them and solve the problem. That's the thing. So this is about the our code editor. Now I'm showing you the code of this web app. So this is the code for your our code, own code editor. So basically this is a client, this is a server. Client is front end, and obviously server is backend over here. Let's discuss about backend. So this is server.js file, the main file that runs from here on the port 5000. This is the route, and this is your personal localhost server, which is run on 5000 port. Express is here, and obviously now let's deep dive into the API.js. So this is the main uh, API.js file for the backend to evaluate your code. So this is evaluate function, and this is just, I use a switch case over here, you know for the languages. In front end, we saw that there is choice, language of choice that you are choose by your own, like C++ is there, CPP is there, Python is there, and JavaScript is here. So this is a backend code for those languages, and this is a compiler for C++. This is for where it is, this is for JavaScript, and this is for Python. So it is executed very well. These are the problems, and these are the evaluated result. So basically, the problems is the main key. So basically, problems are fetched from these problems.js file. Okay, so these are the over 100 problems over here to fetch from this file. Yeah, so that is about uh, server, like backend. And now we are moved to the front end. Front end have four files here. This is index.js main file, again app.js. These are the components that I rendered in app.js, and the components have two types. This is problem statement.js. So basically, we have 2 points in our problems. First is statement and second is example. So basically, just fetch two of them, like problems. This is a statement, like current problem dot statement, and this is current problem dot example. So that's why in web, in front, there is called problem also fetched, and examples also fetched by the problem statement. So this is the first button, and this is this is the next button, this is previous button. Yeah, to switch questions by your own. Okay, and the main file is this is code submission.js file, boilerplate code for C++, JS, and Python over here. And again, this is a response. Okay, when you fetch your submitted code on when you submit your code, that's the thing. Code, these are the languages to switch using select. Oh, so basically one thing is, I wrap up this app with chakra UI. Okay, so yeah, and these are the things over here. So yes, that's it with this video, and happy coding.